searching on the outside for that which lies within. I've been trying to give away all that I was taking in for love, but it's never really there till you meet the right girl and you get your shit together, singing love on my own, for my soul, on my own. Let me tell you about the tale of the fish and the bird. Some will laugh and say it's crazy, telling you that it's absurd, but it's true. An intimate tale of a love unrequited, like a vessel without sail, singing love on my own, for my soul, on my own. I've been trying to find the love in me for so long. I've been searching on the outside for so long. I've been trying to find the love in me for so long. I've been searching on the outside for so long. Enjoy but briefly as the sun sets slowly and that fish swims high, that bird flies low, and we meet in the middle, but there's nowhere left to go, singing love on my own, for my soul, on my own. I've been trying to find the love in me for so long. I've been searching on the outside for so long.